My question is from chapter 19, verse 63.
So this question is based on verse number 63 of Surah Maryam, which is chapter number 19. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. La yasma'una fiha laghwan illa salama wa lahum rizquhum fiha bukratan wa ashiya. Translation is, they will not hear therein anything vain, but only greetings of peace, and they will have their sustenance therein morning and evening.
My question is about bukratan wa ashiya. Why only these 2 times?
He says, why only 2 times of food is mentioned, bukratan wa asila, not 3 times.
Good idea. I think they will be given enough food in the morning to last for the whole day, and the evening to last for the whole night. In fact, if you understand, that may be a reference to the, when you keep fast, you have food in the morning and then food in the evening. It suffices you. But again you misunderstand it to be a real food. It's a spiritual food. And they will be given that food so plentifully that morning and night they will be given food. It may mean